Hello YouTube, Francis here. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to earn $2,000 per month from a side hustle business. And you can get all the money you've earned paid directly into your PayPal or your bank account. Now, if you want to learn more, stay tuned. Now, this is a method that I've talked about on this channel before, and I'm sure it is super valuable and super beneficial to you, and you're going to be learning some amazing things right here on this video today. And this produces real result. And the cool part about this is that this works worldwide, okay? Because some people might be saying certain things don't work in their own region, but the coolest thing is that I love sharing methods that works worldwide, because also in my region there are some things that doesn't even work here in Nigeria. As long as you have a computer and a smartphone device, you can do this, because it requires no previous skills. You don't have to be in front of a camera, and you don't need any existing audience, okay? You don't have to have your own audience, or you don't have to start building any social media following and all those stuff, okay? You don't need to build an email list and all that stuff, okay? So anyone can benefit from this strategy, even if you're a complete beginner. Now, most importantly, the results are not typical. You can earn money or nothing at all right? So make sure you watch this video to the end. Watch every single second of this video so you get the most out of it. At the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing a bonus that will help you, first of all, maximize your result. And also, the second bonus is a must see. It is something that you need to see, all right? So to enable you see that, you need to stay to the end of this video. Now, two things will happen at the end of this video after you finish watching this. Two major things is going to happen. The first one is you're either going to do nothing, okay, like the 99% of the population, or 99% of people watching this might not take action. They might not do anything about this particular strategy. Number two is you can use this method, run with it, and get real result for yourself. Rinse and repeat the process over and over to continue seeing money in your bank account up to $2,000 and above, depending on the work you put in, and make money for yourself consistently. All right. So those are the two major things. Is either you're going to do something about it, or the second one is you're not going to be doing anything. So guys, to get started with this particular method, there's going to be two different niches or two different industries you're going to be focusing on due to the current pandemic happening globally. Now, this particular strategy works when everywhere was still booming, every businesses and local businesses were open and all that stuff. But with this particular one, okay, I'm going to be sharing how you can do this even with this current pandemic and everywhere is still locked down. All right, everywhere is currently on lockdown. So the two major niches we're going to be focusing on to get this method rolling, or do this method effectively, is going to be the cleaning and disinfecting companies and also ghost kitchens. Okay, these are the two major areas we're going to be focusing on. The reason for this is because these are the businesses that are mostly functioning effectively right now. Okay, they are not running out of businesses. They are currently even getting more revenue and more sales at this current time. So if you can jump on this right now, okay, you can make money just doing this exact method I'll be sharing with you. So just like I said, I've actually shared this method before on my channel, okay, and it's super beneficial, and you're going to be learning something amazing right here. So guys, what you want to do is to come over to Google and just type in cleaning services, and the city you're going to be having here should be a top tier country cities, one of the cities in the top tier countries, because some of them can afford certain things you're going to be promoting or selling to them at this current time, because they are also having business, they are currently making money, or new businesses is starting in this cleaning space also due to the current pandemic, because a lot of businesses are starting out doing deep cleaning. All right, they are doing industrial and deep cleaning, and they are making it huge right now. They are moving everywhere, moving trucks everywhere, going to people's offices and people's homes to clean their places. Okay, nobody wants germs anyway. So once you search this on Google, once I just type this on Google, okay, I got all the search results right here. You can see all this bunch of search results, but the thing we want to focus on is this section right here where there's an ad. Okay, we want to focus on the ad. There's ad on the top of this page right here, and there's also ad on the bottom page of this section. Also, there's ad everywhere. So we're just going to open some of these ads right here. Okay, we'll just open them up. So we'll just go down here, also open some of these ads, open some of this ads, open some of this ads. Now these guys are going to be losing money for what I just did. All right, we are seeing this website right here, this particular page that is currently running ad. Okay, Chicago House Cleaning, this is their ad right here. Okay, and you can see their page is very basic. Okay, this is what I talk about every single time, that there's always money out there. All you have to do is to go out there and get it. Okay, so just searching this on this random search right now, okay, I can see this page is looking very basic and there's not much to it. Okay, so this particular one right here, Val Services, All right, they did an amazing job on their web page. This could be a pay-per-call business, okay, because marketers always know what to do every single time. You can see this page is optimized very, very well. All right, there's a big call to action right here to request an appointment, and you can see there's a good copy right here where they say the most detailed cleaning and organizing company in Chicago, and they have a phone number right here that you can just call. Okay, once you click on this, okay, to redirect to mobile if you're on desktop, but if you're on mobile, you can actually call this business from here. Okay, that is the cool part about this page I'm looking at right here now. Okay, it is optimized properly, all right, to get conversions, to get leads, to generate leads for this business. So you can compared to this one right here, you can see this page is just a pretty old page, if I'm not mistaken. This is like an old page for cleaning services and all that. Okay, this doesn't work that much this period, because what this business owner is doing is running ad to this page, okay, so that people can maybe contact him or call this number right here. You want to make it easy for people, okay? You want to make it easy. Marketing has changed over time that a lot of business owners don't know. That is why you need to step in and help them fix some of these things so you can make money. So in just a moment, I'll be sharing with you how you can fix some of this the easiest way possible and make money just doing this. Okay, and you can rinse and repeat the process over and over again. So if we look at this website also right here, you can see they also have similar thing. Okay, there's no call to action. There's no way you can just direct people to what they are looking for and what they currently want. They will need to dial some number here and there and all that, except maybe for this messenger right here, this messenger icon for the chat bot and all, okay, which is not viable. People just want to talk to somebody right now, okay, and get their place cleaned up. Okay, and when you come to this one right here, you can see this one, they also did some good job right here in having their number boldly written here, but the thing is, it is not clickable also, okay, because you want to make it easy for people to contact your business. That way you can be generating quality leads every single time. So this is how you get in contact with them. You want to come to the contact section and send them a message. All right, you want to send them a message telling them how you can help them get more leads, okay, quality leads for their business, because you notice they are currently running ads on Google. Okay, so they understand the importance of running ads. So they can have a page like this one. You can maybe screenshot a page like this one and send to them, showing them how they could optimize their page like this, okay, to get more leads and more sales. So they can see what their competition is doing right here, okay, because this is also in the same city just as them. Okay, they are running ad for this particular keyword, cleaning services Chicago. So this is in Chicago, this might be in Chicago, this might be in Chicago. This is also Chicago. You can see chicagohousecleaning.com. So you can see what they consider what their competition is doing to get more leads, quality leads from Google search, okay, when you're running Google search ads. So to enable you, help them optimize or change this website right here into something very, very pretty, okay, you're going to be using a tool called Builderall. Okay, Builderall is an amazing tool to build websites, and also that you can also use this tool to build sales funnel and all that. So you can help them build sales funnel and charge about $200 just doing this. All right, so on Builderall, there are a bunch of templates right here. Okay, once I come to this cheetah drag and drop website builder, I'll just enter it real quick. So this will just load up and we can take a look at what Builderall have to offer. Okay, so I'll just skip this step right here and just go to create new site. So once you open the cheetah drag and drop builder, you'll see some of the pages you've made. Okay, I'll click on create new sites. So let me just call this cleaning. Okay, I'll just call this cleaning also, any random word. Okay, this is for tutorial purposes. Then I'll now click select a template. Okay, this is what you want to be. All right, once you click select a template, you can see bunch of templates that you could work with. Okay, so you don't have to start worrying yourself, how can I design web pages like this, how can I do this and that. Okay, you can design simple funnels, okay, for these businesses. So you can see once you're on this page right here, okay, there are a bunch of templates right here that you could work with. Okay, Builderall have already done the heavy lifting for you and done the entire job, that you can just plug and play some of this templates right here, and the website will be up and running, looking professional, and it will actually convert people and get people to call these businesses. All right, thereby you're providing value to the business owners, okay, because you are making their website or their lead generation page look modern. That way they will get more leads and more conversions, and it will spike up their revenue, and they'll be willing to pay you even more money for what you're doing for them. All right, well, we'll come to the niche funnel page right here. There are a bunch of templates also that you could work with. Now this is just like an idea, something you could just use, all right, to build these sales funnels for these businesses, because their websites are not looking good at all. Okay, you want to optimize it for conversions. So some of these templates will actually help you achieve that goal. I'll leave Builderall in the description of this video if you want to check it out and try it out also. Okay, so you can charge these business owners around $200 to build a sales funnel for them, or a lead generation funnel that could help them generate more leads for their business. Okay, all you're doing is come over to Builderall, create an account. Okay, just like I said, there's a link in the description of this video. You create an account on Builderall, then you come over to Builderall right here, and there's a training section. Okay, you want to check out this platform training. Okay, so you can understand how to use the tool very well to create a funnel and also to connect a domain. Okay, you want to connect a domain which you're going to be getting from the business owners. Then once you're done with that, the page is properly set up. Okay, you can give it to the business owners for them to continue running ads directly to that page. Okay, connecting everything up, sending it, giving them full access to the entire page, and they could be paying the subscription fee for Builderall. Okay, they could be paying the subscription for Builderall. That way you don't have anything to do with it. You're just being paid for your service that you currently render to them. Okay, now you can see that these business owners are going to love you for this, and they will also pay you even more money to do other services for them. Okay, just like I usually say, when you come to a website like this, okay, you can see this site is showing not secure, which you can help them activate SSL. Okay, this is something for another time, and so many other things you can do on this page. Just looking at this website alone, I am seeing a bunch of problems that I could solve to make money for myself. All right, so you too can go out there and do this also. So for like the bonus I actually promised you guys, okay, Builderall also offers Builderall offers an affiliate program. Okay, so you can come over to affiliate and create your affiliate account. Okay, you can get your affiliate links, so when these business owners want to get a Builderall account for themselves, that you can help them build this sales funnel. Okay, you can give them your affiliate link and you can get a commission when they sign up on Builderall. Okay, that way you're getting even more money, and every single month they continue to renew their subscription on Builderall, you even get passive income. You build passive income that way as well. Okay, so that is one of the bonus. So for bonus number 2, what I'm going to be sharing with you guys is a website, okay, that is going to be super beneficial for you guys. As long as you're a marketer, okay, this website is going to be beneficial to you. Okay, it is very important, which is why I want to share this right now. Okay, is to come over to the search engine and just say more. I don't want to actually pronounce it completely. Okay, you can take a look at the name right here. Okay, and we'll just load this site up. So this is the site right here. Okay, this is the name, and this is the URL right here. Okay, if you can eventually see this. Okay, so this is the website, and it is a website that will help you make money. Okay, reason for this is when you come over to this website right here, there are a bunch of softwares that you could use, okay, for your online marketing. I'll just close this up. There are a bunch of softwares right here that you could use for online marketing. You can see link building tools, social network, mobile marketing, video marketing tools, social points, social ads. I'll just take this out also. WhatsApp marketing, okay, social lead scraper. There are a bunch of marketing tools right here. Okay, some of these tools are the tools you see on JVZoo, the tools they sell on ClickBank, or the tools they sell on Warrior Plus and all that. Okay, some of the tools are here, and you can get that for about $100. Okay, for the pro membership right here. For staying to the end of this video, okay, you have the privilege to see this right now, because some people might click off this video and they're not seeing this right now. This is very important, and I was blown away when I got to know about this. Okay, so I've known about this website for a long time now, about a year plus. Okay, I've known about this website, and I've gotten some tools on this platform. Not all I use, but I just pick the ones I feel could help whatever I'm doing online, especially my online marketing. So you can see Reddit marketing, Yahoo marketing, Tumblr marketing. Okay, there are a bunch of tools right here that you benefit from, and they keep adding more tools every single time on this particular platform. So for those of you who stay to the end, congratulations for seeing this right now, because it's super valuable. So to do a little bit of recap right here, what you want to do is to come over to Google and make sure you are typing in come over and search cleaning services and put a location. The location should be in one of the top tier countries. Then you want to look for ads. Okay, people who are currently running ads, you check out the ads. If the pages are not optimized properly for leads, okay, to get the businesses more calls, you want to contact the business owner and get them set up with Builderall, okay, so you can use templates that will help them generate even more leads for their business. So that brings me to the end of this video. If you're new, you haven't already, make sure you hit the red subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon so you get a notification when I upload my next video. That way you don't miss out on anything, because they are fully packed with value and they are things that actually make you money, all right? Not things that will not make you money. When done correctly, you can make money with these strategies I share on this channel. So until next time, guys, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye for now.